Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way where you can find completed tasks in Asana. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when you're in Asana, you just want to click here on My Tasks, and then in Incomplete Tasks right here on the right top corner, you want to click on it and go to Completed Tasks and click like today, yesterday, 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, and click all completed tasks, and then you're gonna see the completed task that you want. So this is pretty much it, how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, goodbye.